Throughout the day, our eyes are in constant motion, reading, looking at screens, and processing visual information. Even when we stop, we often unknowingly hold tension in the eyelids, the forehead, and the muscles surrounding the eyes. Because the eyes are closely connected to the nervous system, tense extraocular muscles can send a signal to the brain to remain in a state of high alert. This feedback loop makes the mind feel restless even after we step away from work. The feather touch meditation is a 5-minute technique that uses a subtle, tactile approach to encourage these muscles to soften, helping the entire system begin to settle. Before we begin, there are 2 safety requirements. First, your hands must be completely clean. Second, if you have glaucoma, a recent eye injury, or have had recent eye surgery, consult an eye care professional before attempting this practice. The technique involves placing 1 or 2 fingertips over your closed eyelids. The most important rule is to apply absolutely 0 pressure to the eyeballs. The touch should be weightless, similar to a feather resting on a surface or a finger grazing a delicate flower petal. Now put away your devices and find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle into your chair or the floor. Consciously let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Now bring your attention to your breathing. There is no need to force deep breaths. Simply notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. Notice the sensation of air entering the nose and the subtle rise and fall of your chest. Establishing this physical stillness helps signal to the brain that it is safe to begin disengaging the active muscles of the face and eyes. Slowly raise your hands and gently place 1 or 2 fingertips over your closed eyelids. It is vital to remember to avoid any pressure. This is not a massage. Your fingers should feel almost weightless against your lids. Hold your hands still. Direct your full awareness to the warmth of your fingertips and the softness of the eyelids beneath them, noticing every tiny sensation while you remain present. Focusing on this external sensation interrupts the cycle of internal visual processing, which helps the mind naturally begin to quiet. While maintaining this light touch, silently suggest to yourself, let the eyes rest. Acknowledge that for these few minutes, nothing needs to be seen. If it helps, you can imagine a cool cloud or a soft light surrounding the eye area, encouraging the muscles to sink into a deeper state of relaxation. Now let that softness spread. Release the tension in your forehead and eyebrows. Loosen your temples and let your jaw hang loose. If your mind drifts to other thoughts, simply acknowledge them and return your attention to the weightless sensation of your fingers on your eyelids, allowing yourself to settle into this quiet. Slowly remove your fingers and let your hands rest in your lap. Keep your eyes closed for a few more moments. Releasing facial tension encourages the parasympathetic nervous system to activate, which helps the body recover from the stress of constant visual stimulation. Take a soft breath in. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to assess your state. Notice if your eyes feel lighter, your face feels softer, and the pace of your thoughts has slowed. By consciously softening the area around the eyes, you have used a physiological pathway to encourage a sense of calm throughout the nervous system. This 5-minute practice can be used daily, after long periods of screen use, during stressful moments, or before sleep, to help your mind and body return to a state of ease.